guys, today I'm going to do a mukbang. So there's leftover duck slash steak, and here's leftover meat slash cookie, and here's leftover Sprite slash cider. But best, never mind. So let's get started. Okay, what should I choose? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you don't, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Dog. Okay, there is green, pink, white. So let's get started. Okay. 코카콜라 맛있다. 맛있으면 또 먹지. 피타풀 또 먹어. 도레미파솔라시도. Okay. What color? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you don't, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Green, my favorite color. Well, let's try the ultimate one. Okay. Now. Whoa. You know what? Let's just not make snowmen. Beep. Okay, so here does it. I think it was this and then this. Okay. Ultimate snowman. Oh. I had to do that. Wait, guys. You can skip to 10 seconds because I'm going to wash my hands. Guys, I'm back. So, guess what I got? Ta-da! This is tteokbokki. Spicy tteokbokki slash tteokbokki. Okay. This is very hot, so I gotta be careful. And very spicy. Hey, it's not that spicy. Tastes like gochujang. That's very good. I give this a 10 out of 1. It's so good.
10 out of 1?
Yeah, because it's good. Guys, please subscribe to me or like. If you do, I'm going to post more. Oh, it's dripping. Here we go. Mmm. This is so good. Look at this. Wobble, 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 wobble. That's very good. It's a little bit spicy. Let me move the duck. No, let's not move the duck. Let's move small space. You know what? I'm just going to put it on my lap. And I'm sitting down straight because it might fall. Ah, it's getting more spicy. Oh yeah, and tomorrow I'll post a funny video, okay? Okay? Okay. Mmm. Let me put this away. The spicy tteokbokki was very good. But sorry guys, I'm obsessed with Sprite. Hashtag soda. Oh, and this is Kogi. Should I get more tteokbokki? What? 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 Yes. Okay. Wait here. I'll just get some. Wait here. Don't exit out of the video or else. Yay!
뭐야 도대체?
Why?
이상해.
엄마, one more tteokbokki.
기다려.
Is that a sausage?
Yeah.
Guys, I can't get tteokbokki, but I can lick it.
아차 그런 거 하지 마. 더러워.
Okay. Just kidding. You thought I actually passed out, right? Yum. Yum. Want to see the satisfying? Still not 12 minutes. It's good. 12 minutes and 24 hours. Just kidding. Seconds. Okay. Let me show you my weird ending.
야, 닦아야 돼.
Okay.
아차야, 그거 저 유튜브 좀 이제 좀 사람들 기다리게 안 하면 안 돼?
I know I need to do my weird ending.
재미없어. 그런 거 재미없다고.